Marathon model AT-604242-850A auto tie baler. Control panel. In-feed hopper, which is 60 inches by 42 inches. Wire rack. Hydraulic power unit. Power unit is powered by a 50 horsepower three-phase electric motor. The needle rack. Twisters. We'll now demonstrate the baler in operation. I'll go around into the bale chamber. Button in the forward position, needle injectors moving to the ties. And there the twisters are tying the wire. Here is again a view of the platen on the top of the feed chamber. There at the bottom, the end of the feed chamber, you can see the cutting knife.